Hello viewers, welcome to Secret of Pleasant Life channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the important dimensions of life. Please stay with me till end of the video. You must have heard the name of world famous cricketer Sir Don Bradman and Sachin Tendulkar. The names of these two cricketers are remembered with reverence in the cricket world. Many people in this cricket world play good cricket. In spite of that, why the cricket world remembers these two legend cricketers? Because they have played the highest quality cricket. These two were such extraordinary cricketer who could hit awesome cricketing shot all over the cricket ground. Similarly, the people who think in all aspects of life are progressive people. See, there is no specific direction of thought, but the thinking of some people is controlled in a special way. As a result, thoughts do not spread in all sides. It is surprise to hear, but in reality this is what happens. In such way, to develop a full thinking of life does not happen. There are many such children who are given religious education only before they feel life. In this case, the rest of the dimensions of life are not touched except religious aspect. So there is a lack of free thinking. See, you have want to understand this creation. You have to understand everything in this creation. I am not talking about accumulating wealth of knowledge. But if you want to feel this creation, then you have to try to understand the creation. One of the limitations of religious thought is that it is standing on faith. Faith is born from thought. Only fools can argue about the existence of God, because such arguments will never find the solution. Faith is the expression of a person's own thoughts, so one's personal thoughts should not be challenged. If you don't believe in God, you need not to believe, but you have no right for hurting the religious beliefs of others. There is no need for you to analyze what the other person is doing in his life and whether it is right or wrong. If someone's behavior has a negative effect on your life and the society, you can speak out against it. The more you try to know this creation, the more your point of view will open up. That is why it is not right to focus life on just one dimension. If you want to expand the world of your thoughts, all creatures of this creation must be seen with special attention and must be loved. If you love nature, if you love life, you will get love in return. It can be called a nature of this creation. But the interesting thing is, if you don't love this creation, it would not be jealous of you in reply. But if you think of destroying nature, you will gradually become exhausted. You need to understand it. The nature does not understand thoughts movement. The nature only observes what is happening to it, and its reply also gives a worldly. This is the real truth of nature. Since you have been created in this nature, You have a very close relationship with nature. A baby learns the first step of life from his or her mother. Similarly, you have to learn the values of life from the nature, because nature is the greatest teacher of everyone's life. You may have a lot of educational qualifications that you have achieved from formal educational institute. That means you have gathered more information. This does not mean that you are a open thinking person. If you want to be a free thinking person, you have to look at life impartially. You have to keep your personal belief away from there. Otherwise, it will not be possible for you to analyze the life and everything properly. See, I have no problem that you are a God believer and want to go to heaven after death. It's just your personal belief. I have no objection. But as long as you are in this creation, you have to learn to love this creation and to decorate this nature beautifully for yourself and the next generation. We have to teach generosity to the next generation, and that they learn to love this creation and keep it alive from generation to generation, for which they need space for open thinking. Please subscribe my channel, pass your valuable comments. Thanks a lot for watching this video.